It's part of what every. All right. From single handle to spa-like multifunctional systems, there's a style out there for every bathroom and lifestyle. Hi, welcome to Beyond the Bath. And in today's episode, Will, our tub and shower specialist at Bytown Better Baths and Showers here in Ottawa, is going to share his thoughts on the most popular faucet options so you can choose the right one that makes your bathroom experience even better. Hey, Will, thanks for joining me.
Thanks, Pete.
What should a homeowner understand first about the role of a shower faucet in their daily bathroom experience?
So the shower faucet obviously is the main part of your shower, right? So going into a bathroom renovation, you really want to choose the one that's going to fit your lifestyle, but also your needs as well in that shower.
Amongst all of the faucet types, which one tends to be the most preferred in Ottawa homes?
Yeah, I think that would be your upgrade from your single shower head to a multifunctional shower valve. So you've got a rain head and that slide bar. So that tends to be, the most popular option in Ottawa these days.
What is the main difference between a single handle faucet and a dual handle faucet, especially in terms of functionality?
So your single lever faucet is going to do your temperature and your pressure on and off. With the multifunctional one, it's going to have two separate handles on that. So it does your on and off with one handle, and then the second handle will do your temperature.
Okay. And multifunctional shower faucets seem like a luxury upgrade. So what makes them stand out compared to standard options?
Yeah, so obviously with your standard option, like this, we've got single lever, multifunctional, which basically is going to do your shower head, and a tub spout. With the multifunction shower valve, we can add a bunch of different shower heads, right? So we can do a rain head, we can do the slide bar, we can also add body jets to that as well. We can also add the tub spout if you do have a spout, right? So in this case, we have your handle, which does on and off, and we can do the temperature, which is set in the middle. So the good thing about this is you can always have your temperature set to whatever temperature that you like and just turn it on. So you never have to guess at what temperature that shower is going to be. You always know where it's going to be set and just turn the shower on and have a nice shower.
And for smaller bathrooms, are there certain faucets that work better than others?
Yeah, so for smaller bathrooms, you're not really going to want the rain head, the slide bar. You're not going to want big body jets and everything, right? So with a smaller bathroom, you're just going to want to stick with either just a regular shower head or just a single shower head with a slide bar. And
for faucet choices, someone who's working on a tight budget versus a larger one, what would you have to say to them?
So really the faucet, you still want to go with a good quality faucet, right? But the finishes is where you're going to spend that extra money, right? So your standard chrome is going to be, your lower range, and then that's going to go up from there, right? So if you go to a finish that's black or brushed gold or brushed nickel, that's where you can start getting into higher budgets. So I would say stick with a good, standard chrome, and that'll stick with your budget that you like.
Okay. And then durability when choosing a faucet. How important is that?
I mean, it's everything, really. So the difference is, when you go to, one of the box stores, you're going to get a different finish on that trim, right? So it's going to be different than something like this Remodel, where the finish is actually baked into the trim, right? So basically we're looking at plastic pieces versus stainless pieces, right? So your finish is not going to wear on these ones versus the ones that you get at box store.
So, when a homeowner is looking to make sure their faucet it performs well over time, these are things that they would be looking for.
Yeah. So we want to look at brand names, right? So it's going to be accessibility with replacement parts. Obviously, that's very important too. But also with those name brands, they're going to come with good warranties as well.
Given that maintenance and longevity are key, how do the various faucet systems compare over time?
Yeah, so again, back to the other question with going with a name brand faucet, right? These Better quality faucets are going to stand up to, your harsher water conditions, right? If you got hard water, they're going to last a bit longer. The internal parts, but also the finish as well.
Okay, and how do you go about helping homeowners pick their faucet, when they're looking to complete their overall vision for the bathroom? How do you help them out?
So really we're going to start with asking questions as to what is your need, right? And what is your want? And then we get into style, right? So again, the first thing is always going to be what do you want? What are your needs? Right?
And if somebody's still undecided, they're not sure what faucet to get or what style or anything like that, what would be the most reliable faucet that you would suggest to them?
Well, one's standing right behind me. Remodel, they've been around for a long time, and that's going to be our trusted brand that we're going to go with. And then our other brand is always the tried and true is Moen. They're built for life and really good warranties, and you can always find parts for them too.
I always found it interesting when I'm talking to somebody or I'm purchasing something for either my home or a vehicle or anything like that, and I'm either speaking to the contractor or the mechanic or whatever, and I always ask them, what faucet would you put in?
Yeah.
So that would be a question. For your own home, which one would you put in?
Right. Well, honestly, I have Remodel in my own home, so that's the one that I would recommend. That's what I always say. It's something that I'm going to put in my home is going to be good enough for the homeowner.
Right on. Good. Wow. Thanks a lot, Will.
Thanks, Pete.
All right. So the right faucet can transform your entire bathroom experience, from the water pressure you enjoy to the look you see every day. That's why at Bytown Better Baths, we help homeowners make the choice that really fits their needs. Just visit us at bytownbetterbaths.com to book your service. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who's planning a bathroom upgrade. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to helping you build a bathroom you love living in.